How to use stickers and effects in iMessage. Open the Messages app and tap on any conversation. This works on iPhones running iOS 16 or newer. Tap the plus icon on the left of the text field, then select Stickers. You'll see sticker packs including emoji stickers, Memoji, and even live stickers if you've created one from your photo. You can tap to send sticker or press and hold to drag it into a message bubble. Great for playful reactions. You can even resize or rotate it before you place it. If you want even more impact, type your message, then press and hold then send button. Choose from bubble effect like slam, loud, or invisible ink, or go to screen effect like balloons, confetti, fireworks, and more. In iOS 17, you can turn any photo subject into a sticker. Just long press a person or object in your image, tap Add Sticker, and it saves to your sticker collection. And that's it!